Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the adaptation of animals. In our earth, there are so many animals are there. They are adapted to live in that a particular place. Some of the animals live in water, some of the animals live in desert, air and land area, both of that land and water. Okay. And the animals are the peculiar features to adapt in that particular place. The types of animals are there. Today we are going to discuss a detailed discuss about the types of animals. Okay, according to the mode of adaptation. What are the types of animals? Listen here. Terrestrial animals, aerial animals, arboreal animals, aquatic and amphibians. According to the mode of adaptation in animals, they are divided into mainly 5 categories. Let us discuss one by one. First one, terrestrial animals. What do you mean by terrestrial animals? The animals which live on land. The animals which live on land. So the main features are very efficient to live in land areas. Example, dog. And then next one, snakes. The snakes have no legs, but by the help of scales, they move from one place to another place. Like that, the camel, they live in desert area. They live in desert area. Some peculiar features are there in their body. It helps us to live in that desert area. Likewise, the polar bears. They live mainly in Arctic regions, and the polar bear containing their body. Mainly the help of their body, it adapts to that particular location. So, the terrestrial animals, some examples are snake, polar bears and camels, etc. Second one, aerial animals. Aerial animals means the animals which spend most of the time in air. Most of the birds are aerial animals except emu, penguin, etc. They can fly. The birds, they can fly. Such type of animals are called aerial animals. And the peculiarity of that aerial animals, their feather, their body appearance, structure, it helps us to fly. Next one, arboreal animals. The animals, they spend most of the times on trees. Such type of animals are called arboreal animals. Example, monkey, squirrel. Their long tail and limbs, claws, such a particular features, they help us to jump from one place to another or on the tree, climb on the tree, likewise. Next one, aquatic animals. The animals which live in water. Such type of animals are called aquatic animals. Some examples are fish. The fish have gills. It helps us to breathe. The fish have gills. It helps us to breathe. And the fish have fins. It helps us to swim. This is one of the adaptation of fish. And next one, in the case of duck. We can see the beak of that duck. It is a flat like and a hole is there. It helps us to remove the excess water and food. And also, you can see the food of that duck. A particular shape. It helps us to swim. Next one and the last one. Amphibians. The animals which live the part of the life in water and land. Such type of animals are called amphibian. Main example is frog. In the case of frog, we can see the lungs which is help us to breathe on land. The lungs which help us to breathe on land, and in the skin, the wet skin or moist skin, it help us to breathe on water. It help us to breathe on water.